Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you are unable to see computers on your network after doing some updates to your Windows computer. So hopefully this tutorial should be able to address your problems without too much of a hassle, and we're going to just jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel right above desktop app. Left click on that one time. Alright, you want to set your view by to category view and then select network and internet. Now you want to select network and sharing center. And now on the left side you want to left click on change advanced sharing settings. So once you're on here underneath Network Discovery, when Network Discovery is on, this computer can see other network computers and devices and is visible to other network computers. You want to turn that on, as well as for file and printer sharing. When file and printer sharing is on, files and printers that you have shared from this computer can be accessed by people on the network. You want to select that to turn on as well. Left click on Save Changes in order to save the changes there. And then at this point you should be able to just close out of this window. At this point now, I would go ahead and open up the start menu again. Just left click on the start button, type in services. Best match should say services right above desktop app. Left click on that one time. Now you want to go ahead and locate a few different services here. The first one is going to be the SSDP discovery service. So we're going to scroll down for that. Right here, double click on it. Startup type, set that to automatic, and then if service status is stopped, you want to make sure you start it, and then left click on applying, okay? Second service is going to be the UPnP device host. So I'm going to scroll down to that and just double click on the UPnP device host, double click on it, set startup type to automatic, and if service status is stopped, you want to start it, so just left click on start, and then left click on applying, okay? The next service we're actually going to have to scroll back up here, so we're going to look for the function discovery provider host and double click on that. If service status is anything other than automatic, you want to set it to automatic and then start the service and then applying OK. And the last service should be the function discovery resource publication right underneath it, and startup type again automatic. You want to start the service. So once you've done that, you can safely just click on apply and OK, get out of any open windows you have. With just restarting your computer, hopefully that has resolved the problem. If it has not, another thing you can just take a quick look at here would be to open up the start menu, type in network, give it a moment here. So underneath settings, you want to left click on network status, and you want to go underneath where it says change connection properties, so left click on that. Make sure your network is set to private down here, and then you can just close out of here as well. And again, with just restarting your computer, and hopefully then if you opened up your network folder, so if you open up, let's just say File Explorer here, and went on to this network, hopefully any other devices should be apparent at this point. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.